sir. This is a very delicate situation we're in. Let me or Tweetums talk to them.
Says you. I can't talk to them.
Shut up! I'm the captain, and I get to do the talking.
Get back here, you spineless cowards! I'm going to blast you to bits for ever thinking you could step onto me turf!
You didn't want to go to your stupid zone anyway. Leave us alone.
Stupid, you say? That's it! Let him up, boys!
Whoops.
Sir, what are we gonna do?
Sir, I advise we go faster.
That's a stupid idea. My idea's better. We need to go faster.
I already said.
We sure that's a good idea, sir?
Of course it is. It's my idea after all.
Huh? Oh.
Let's see. Which one of these buttons will work? This one? No. Nah. Aha! This must be the button to speed us up.
No! Don't press that button!
Sir, please don't press that!
Darn it!
Why did you do that? We're going too fast!
Don't yell at me! Ooh, at least it's finally over.
Oh, yeah. Thank goodness.
Is it me? Or is it suddenly really warm all of a sudden? Wait, is that the sun?
Will this be the horrible end of the Negative 215's crew? We sure hope so. Find out next time on Coin Up Command!